Amelia and the Case of the Migrating Mugs. Amelia was a brilliant college student. She knew all about ancient history and complex math, but she knew absolutely nothing about mug management. Her roommate, Alara, started counting. There's the I Love Pandas mug on the microwave, the chipped World's Best Roommate mug on the TV, and is that a travel mug on the shower curtain rod? The mugs multiplied like tiny ceramic bunnies. Soon, they were more than just clutter. They became a hazard. One morning, Amelia reached for her alarm clock and accidentally grabbed a cold, sticky, empty mug instead. "Wait a minute," she mumbled. "Is this the time?" The mugs were lonely. They missed the warm, soapy water and the feel of a clean shelf, so they started to move, very slowly. Alara came back from class. The fuzzy alpaca mug that had been on the printer was now inexplicably next to the cereal box. Ilara's eyebrow went up. She said loudly. The migration was subtle, but Alara was on the case. She set up a complex tripwire of yarn, sticky notes, and a tiny bell, hoping to catch the culprit. A clumsy hand or a curious cat, perhaps. That night, Amelia came into the kitchen for a midnight glass of water. Bowing, the tripwire snagged her foot, sending a few of the nearby mugs tumbling into the kitchen sink with a loud, satisfying clink-clatter. Alara heard the commotion, but now she was sure. That night she set a trap right by the sink. "Welcome home, mugs!" In the dark, the mugs were quietly marching toward the sign. Amelia walked in for a midnight snack and saw the line of migrating mugs. She saw Alara hiding. She looked at a dirty mug and back at her tired roommate. "Oh," Amelia whispered, "they don't want to be dusty. They want to be clean." She picked up the first mug. "Welcome home, little friends," she said, and carried the whole line to the sink. The room was quiet. The mugs were clean, and Alara finally put her detective hat away. At least until Amelia started leaving her socks on the ceiling fan. But that's a story for another time.